Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com. Just woke up a little late again at 7 a.m. So no big deal. The market is very chaotic right now. It's doing up and down, weird movement. Right? But anyway, so this one I saw a little bit here. Some few things are beeping. So this is the first one I took. I short in pound CAD. So let's see. I'm gonna move myself here and see what happened. And there are a bunch of others. I have buy setup on pound USD beeping, but I'm not gonna take that buy because I'm looking for short on that one. So I'm gonna bypass. So let's see what happens. So let me just go and then see, scan the market, see for more setups and more trades, and I'll be back for more updates. Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com. I slept very good, was very tired, yeah, I just woke up just to see that this is the pound CAD entry that I took here. Went down here, but 60, this S2, actually S1, but I was waiting. I think I should see more to the downside, but let's see what happened. But right now, still alive. It's 55 plus here, and very close to 60 to 33. So I'm gonna hold on to it, see what happens. Sitting on a break even plus. The another one that I took while I just heard the beep, woke up and took it, and then I went back to sleep. I said, "What the hell with it? Let's see what happened in the morning." And I just woke up and see that it's 180 pip up. It's pound yen, and it's still going on. But I'm gonna close it now after this update. So I have this one that I'm going to close, and the 55 pip GC. I will think if I wanna keep it or close it. Euro CAD I was expecting also short, but it never gave me the entry. They should be going up there and then give me the entry. But that's how it is. It's a lot. And all the other yen pairs, they went up, but never gave me the entry. So big time. Yen was getting strong, right, last week, and dropped big time. But now it's retracing and going back up, and then yen is getting weaker. Then all yen pair goes up. Right, so that's how I was able to get this pound yen. The only yen pair gave me the entry is pound yen. Everything else went up big time, but like I said, when they were coming down, then it didn't give me the entry. So I only take the trades with the entry. All right, so I'm gonna go and close these trades, and we'll come back with more updates later. Hello everyone, Sam is here again. Okay, I closed the pound yen, this one. That's for I think I closed it for 215 pip. It went up a little bit by the time I was closing. Yeah, 215 pip. I closed it right just now, and I am about to close the other one as well. Which one? Let me see. Pound CAD. I just accidentally should. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Pound CAD here. See that? Pound CAD is 55 plus, and it's going down. But the thing is that enough is enough, and I need to do a webinar today at 4. Right now it's already 12, almost like 12:30, 12:40, and I've been sleeping a lot, so I need to go prepare myself for the webinar and set up the charts and everything that I'm going to show and then explain. So I don't want the trades running right now, and also I need the Zoom. I need to stop this recording so that I can record my webinar and set up the webinar in Zoom and then send out and all of that, right? So I'm going to close this one, but remember that's 215 and 55. So that's 20 and 50, 270 pip today. 215 plus 55 pip here. Okay. So today is Wednesday. It's 270 pip. These two trades only. No bad entries today. Yesterday I had a couple of hitting my SL, at break even, but today not even that. I took one entry pound CAD, this 55 pip, and then the other pound yen for 215 pips. I'm gonna close it now and then see you guys again in the, I don't know, if Asian session maybe, if not the London session. Okay, so bye for now and see you guys later.